Hi, my dear beauty. Today we talk about if you decide to try co-washing, it's crucial to choose the right conditioner. Opt for organic products without silicones, mineral oils, and harsh surfactants. Otherwise, your hair may appear dull and unkempt. One of the best options is the Essential Classic Conditioner from the renowned German brand La Biosthetique. This innovative product is designed to restore damaged hair structure. Based on the latest scientific research, our hair endures daily stresses from sun, wind, heat styling tools, and mechanical damage from combing and styling. Essential Classic Conditioner provides deep restoration, preventing hair from losing its natural strength and vitality. The secret lies in its unique formula. Ceramides fill in porous areas of the hair cuticle, sealing structural damage. Panthenol significantly improves the hair's ability to retain moisture, restoring elasticity. Precious plant oils nourish the strands from within, making them soft, silky, and full of shine. In just a few minutes of use, Essential Classic Conditioner transforms hair. It becomes easy to comb, manageable, and alluringly velvety soft. The stunning glossy shine adds a luxurious finishing touch. Soon, this conditioner will become an indispensable part of your daily beauty routine. For fine and lifeless hair, the Volume Weightless Conditioner from the same brand is an ideal choice. Its innovative formula is specifically designed to provide volume without weighing hair down. Plant-based ingredients offer weightless moisture, while Tahitian microalgae extract boosts body. Rice and soy proteins, along with extracts of carrageenan moss and sugar kelp, strengthen and protect hair from heat damage. The result is voluminous, strong, and easily detangled locks. If you decide to practice co-washing, follow these recommendations. Start with a small amount of conditioner and gradually increase the dosage if needed. Thoroughly massage the scalp and distribute the product evenly along the length. Leave the conditioner on for a few minutes for better absorption. Regularly alternate co-washing with traditional shampooing. Don't forget additional care, masks, serums, and heat protection. Alternatives to co-washing. If co-washing doesn't suit your hair type or fails to deliver the desired results, try other gentle hair care methods. For instance, an excellent option is using mild, sulfate-free shampoos combined with nourishing conditioners from La Biosthetique. The SPA Wellness Hair Conditioner line from this brand effectively soothes the scalp, smooths the hair structure, and makes detangling easier. Co-washing is an interesting and controversial trend in the world of hair care. For some women, this method can be a game changer, providing healthy and radiant locks. However, before trying it, it's essential to carefully consider your hair and scalp characteristics and choose high-quality, natural hair care products from trusted brands like La Biosthetique.